Aw, I need to play all these, but I need to come back to play this one. I don't come here because the machines never work, but they look like groaning, so let's see if they're working. They work all right, they just don't want to dispense. I'll come back to that one. Hello, how you doing? You want a ball? There you go. You're welcome.
What is that?
That's my quarter roll. I put my quarters in it.
That's a bun.
Oh yeah.
It looks cool. It's heavy too.
Oh yeah, I gotta collect them so I could play all these games.
I always get those.
The tops? I'm gonna come down here.
Sometimes. What you doing? He gave me a ball. Oh, it's nice.
Yeah.
I have it.
You want one? I think it's still.
Say thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want something? Here, you want this top or something else? I give prizes away anyway. One of these? Yeah.
You got a lot of toys in here though. Hey.
These are little poppets.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want something? You want this or something else? Something for everybody. Oh yeah. Oh. You want one of those?
My sister right there. My sister, she wants some gum for some reason.
You like gum?
Yeah.
There you go.
I don't know why she wants.
You want that? No,
Why does it come
I'll
with another
take
cap?
that. This one wants to be goofy. I'll play it one more time, see if what I can get. There you go. I gotta come back to play this one. You're welcome.
For my sister, it's
Oh,
a little.
that's cool. Nice.
You can read only one chapter,
Nice.
which is this one,
Oh wow. Small writing, huh?
and you can only read one page.
Oh yeah.
Two actually,
At a time before you can't see anymore.
and you can read this one too.
Nice. Did you want gum?
Yeah.
You want me to win one for you? Which machine do you want me to play? This one? You want to turn it or you want me to?
You can turn it.
Hello.
Or your pink one.
You want a pink gumball?
Can I have one too, please?
Yeah. From which machine? There you go.
Doesn't matter. Just.
Oh, one decided to roll everywhere.
This one's 36. No, I got white.
Somebody else want gum?
Come here.
You gotta turn it? There you go.
Here. Oh, 2 at a time. Yeah.
You got two, huh? Nice. A lot of candy. Yeah. What? I don't know if I could do that. What to put my... we can't get that one. He's too high up. It's a randomizer. What? What's that? You want one more? Well, gum you'd get is at the very bottom. We can't pick which one we get, sadly. Wait, you want me to try one more time for you? There. See if that does anything.
Pink, I got pink.
Is that what you wanted? Pink and purple? Very good.